30 minutes, and an air fryer. That's all you need for moist, delicious brownies. Welcome back to another episode of Annie's Smoking Pot. If you are returning, thank you for that. I hope you've subscribed. If you haven't already, go ahead and pause right now. Hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Did you do it? Perfect! I've been practicing and I have mastered a moist, delicious chocolate brownie. You can do it in 30 minutes in your air fryer, and on a hot day like we're having today, who wants to turn on your oven? First step, melt your butter into the bowl. I just use the microwave. You can use your stove top if you'd like, but again, it's hot. I don't want to turn on any heat apparatus. I don't have to. As always, description below, all the ingredients, measurements, everything to that butter, just some basic sugar. And we're gonna mix. Of course, you know, stating the obvious again. I did find that if you mix after each ingredient you add in, it just makes for a moister brownie. I have tried this 2 or 3 different ways, and this is the way that I found to be best. To that, we've got 2 eggs and vanilla. I love brownies. Oh, I'm a glutton when it comes to brownies. Other sweets I can do without. I do not have a sweet tooth. Brownies, I will eat the whole pan in a day. How about you though? Are you the corner person, the edge person that likes that little hard crunchy bits that are there? Or are you that soft, moist center? Or are you a dick like my husband and you start from the center and work your way out? Who cuts brownies like that? Who takes the center out? Who? Yeah, hit me up in the comments below and let me know if you're an edger or a center. Hint with the dry ingredients. You don't have to do this, but I will tell you, if you don't, you're gonna end up with lumps. So a sifter, I do have one that's got like the hand crank. I have found this. I don't even know if this is called a sifter or if it's a strainer. I've had it forever and it works beautifully. See, look at that. Sets right there, just like that. And we're going to sift our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. So we've got just all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, maybe it's called baker's cocoa. I don't know, it's unsweetened baker's cocoa. And baking powder and salt. Ooh, that was close. Did you see that? Oh, we almost had a catastrophe. And we're just gonna shake it on in there. This just breaks up any lumps or bumps, and we're gonna mix this all up now. Be careful, don't go like whoa, 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 because you will have everywhere. You will have a cocoa flour catastrophe. I womp. Get all the dry bits mixed in. And it is going to be a thick batter, which is okay. It's brownies. It's supposed to be. At this point, if you want, you can add walnuts. I'm allergic to nuts, most nuts, so I'm not going to add any, but this is the point where you would do it. If you want to chop up some walnuts in there, throw some walnuts in there. Throw some pistachios in there. That'd be really good too. Set that aside for now. Let's go ahead and get our air fryer going. 325 for 30 minutes. On air fry mode, not bake mode. My fun little pan. Parchment paper. This is going to make it so much easier. You want to spray the whole thing, the bottom, the sides, all of it with your non-stick cooking spray of your choice. Doesn't matter. Be generous. Otherwise, you're gonna have a bugger of a time getting those brownies out. Don't breathe in while you're doing it. Parchment paper just on the bottom. And by spraying it, helps this stick. Make sure you flatten it down so that none of the batter goes underneath the edges. Just like that. So simple, right? I bet you know what we're gonna do next. We're gonna pour our batter in there. And we're gonna have to kind of turn sideways so as not to block the shot. Scrape all that goodness out of that bowl. And then you wanna spread it out and try to get it as even as you can. I'm gonna show you a little trick too when we get there. Once you get that in there, you know what you do? You just give it a little spin. That helps it go around to the edges, and then beat it down. That's it. That's my trick. Trick number 2, jaws of life. These are the jaws that keep me from getting burns when I put stuff in my air fryer. One of these days, I will do an affiliate link for my jaws of life because they are a lifesaver. There we go. That's gonna go for 30 minutes. Then we'll check them and we'll meet you back here. So we'll see you in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, it's beeped, it's done. Look at that, 30 minutes in, see, jaws of life. 30 minutes in the air fryer to a perfectly moist, delicious brownie. Right there. But you are gonna wanna let it cool completely before you try to take it out of the pan. Otherwise, it's just not gonna come out otherwise. Don't worry though, we'll be back so I can show you how they look. And here we go. Beautiful. Came out beautifully. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, let's cut into it. Cuts like butter. Like butter. I tell you, like butter. Or like brownies. And there we have it. Beautiful, delicious, moist brownies. Look at that. And there we have it. We're just going to take them and put them onto a plate so that they look beautiful for presentation purposes. If you like this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up and enjoy brownies. 30 minutes in the air fryer, 45 if you're using a standard oven. Put them in a dish. Oh, hear me out. Put them in a little bowl, top with a little bit of vanilla ice cream, little hot fudge, little whipped cream. There you go. Brownie a la mode. Delicious! As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye. If you like that video, you might like one of these. Click on a link and find out.